We are a marketing firm specifically focused on lead generation for engineering firms, fab shops, mechanical contractors, and really anyone that's providing technical products and services. We are not your typical marketing agency. Our team is made up of industry professionals that have experience in the construction industry, industrial automation, manufacturing, fabrication. What that means for our customers is that you don't have to hold our hand. We know what works for the industries we work in, and we write all our own content. We are extremely results oriented, and our goal is to grow your company as if we owned it. We are not the marketing firm that's going to tell you how many clicks you got or how many people saw your Facebook page. Who cares? We implement the best practices that we've learned over time that work for this industry, and we use statistics to drive continuous improvements just like our customers do in their processes. We even offer a 3-month guarantee, so if you haven't at least broken even by the end of month 3, you don't pay us anymore until you do. We are extremely results driven, and we do not accept failure, and we are relentless in making sure our customers have an ROI.